Hello, beautiful butterflies. Guess what, y'all? It's Mask Monday. Okay, some of y'all know that for my birthday, my niece gave me some DIY face masks. So we're going to try this. This is the front. This is the back. I'm about to tear it all up. So let's just get started. My face is already clean. Oh my goodness. My face is already clean and dry. And so we have an opportunity now to use this. It appears that there's a little note card here. Oh my goodness, it's taped down. Of course. And there appears to be a, let me put my cigarette out. Oh Lord, I'm filling a little box. It appears to have a little note card here that I can use to write down. Oh shit. Stuff is flying all over the place in my effort to be quick. There's some note cards here that I can use to write down what ingredients I'm using, but I'm never that conscientious. And I salvaged my little spatula and two of my stirrers. The third stirrer is on the floor where it shall remain until I dispose of it. And let's see what else we have here. Oh, that spatula is one of two, because I also have a spoon here. And I'll put that there. And there's some more note cardy type things. Let me see. Let me see here. Okay. You have some stickers that you can put on top of your pot when you make it. And so there's more note cards. And I was actually hoping to see some directions about, you know, put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes or leave it on for 5 minutes or something like that. But I don't have directions. So this really is do it yourself. So I'm going to start with a pot. And I'll pick the first pot that I see. And it's here. This says face mask base. And I think all of them say the same as far as face mask base. No fragrance. Okay? And then we have clays. Let me see. They give you 3 clays to choose from. I have a green clay. I have a rose clay. I don't know if you can see that with my shadow. And there's also a volcanic clay. So you know me, I'm going straight for the rose clay. I'm going to put these other 2 clays down right here and open. I'm very excited. Let's see. Let me see here. If it's going to be easy to open or hard to open. Okay. Easy enough, but is it powdered? Oh, it's powdered. Okay. Let me show you myself at applying it. Again, no fragrance. I'm just going to tap it in. See that? See what I did? I'm tapping it all. I'm tapping it all in. This is the rose clay. And so I put, goodness, that's a lot. Put that in there. See? Not doing too much tipping. So we're going to set that to the side and get our choice of essential oils. So we have a frankincense. I know the print is just so small. A frankincense, geranium, and let me see, a jasmine. So since I picked the rose so far, I'm going to use the jasmine. I'm going to put the essential oil in. Now, normally, there's a lot of caution that's required. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. There's a lot of caution that's required when you're using essential oils on your face. But the main caution is that you dilute it in either a carrier oil or a moisture base. So we have all of the things that we need in order to feel safe doing this. So I'm going to take my concoction, which now looks like this, and I'm not dipping too much. I know you want to see, but I can't tip it. And I'm just gonna stir that up. It's kind of sort of like cooking, I suppose. And I'm very excited about this. This looks like fun. I mean, it is fun. I'm doing it. It's fun. Yeah. At first, it looked like fun, and now I see that it actually is. So I'm using my wooden stirrer. I'm going to smell it again. Oh my God, that smells amazing. And I'm just going to give it a really, really, really good stir. And I'm trying to make sure that I access every bit of that moisture base, because that's what we need in order to make sure that our essential oil is properly diluted in the cream base. So we're going to stir and stir and stir. And this is what it's looking like now. Okay? Okay? Yes. And it's really not even messy. I thought I was going to be in here making a mess, but I'm not. Okay. We got that. I'm going to set that. Ooh, that smells good. I'm going to set that stirrer to the side and get my spatula. And this is what we made. I'm going to take some and apply it. And no, I don't expect to use all of this in one application. So this is going to be good for a minute, I think. I might even put it in the fridge to make sure that it stays really nice and working. I was going to say efficable, but I don't know if that's a word. But we want to preserve the efficacy. That's the point. And I'm going to put that on. Actually, I could use more because this is a mask. So we're going to pile it on. Making sure that we get into all of our important areas. How's everybody? This is a trip. I hope that you all are doing well. Today is, April 1st, which is April Fool's Day to some people. But I didn't get one single trick played on me, for which I'm grateful. And of course, I didn't play any tricks on anybody because I've just been busy working all day. I don't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. So here we go. We're into the 4th month of the year. And I personally have not had a lot going on this year, but the year has been going by so fast. My goodness. Next thing you know, we'll be in June and it'll be half over. But yeah. I didn't bring my fan in here so I could help the mask to dry down. But that's okay. It'll dry while we chat. And we'll see. I don't want it to be too thick to where it takes a long time to dry. But I do not want this in my hair. Too late. I got it on my eyebrows. And let's just make sure we get it there and there. My areas of concern that I like to use masks to detox on are around here, and around here. All while not getting it too close to my eyes. Okay? So we're going to... I was going to try to neaten that up some. And I guess at a certain point I'm going to be washing dishes if I want to keep using this. And I'm going to put the lid on it. Very nice. Take a piece of toilet paper. And clean my hand. Wipe off the outside. And what I'm going to do next is see if I can't put a label on it. Let me see, I can use this floor fan. One of my note cards. This is so sweet. I love this. And I still have on my clothes that I wore for work. But if I didn't, maybe I'd even carry this down onto my neck and my décolleté. Because you know, your face is from here to here. That's what you present to the world. Or at least that's what I do. Okay? And I'm telling you, the smell is amazing. What smell did I use? The jasmine. I used the jasmine essential oil, the rose powder, and the cream bases are all three the same. So, but I'm going to get me a sticker and see if I can't dress up that container to make the experience as aesthetically pleasing as I possibly can. And let me see. I'm going to use this first one here. This one. It says face mask. And that's the color. And here we go. Isn't that nice? I love this. Okay. So, I think that we've let it stay on for long enough. Right? In my opinion, yes. I don't feel a lot of active stuff happening. In other words, I don't feel a tingle. I don't feel a sting. I don't feel a lot of tightening. But it does feel good. And I think I'm going to, while I turn on the water and let that re-warm up, because I did just wash my face, I want to just smooth it in. Oh, yeah. That feels very milky and creamy. Exactly what you would want if you were treating yourself to a spa treatment. These are my areas that I like to concentrate on. Right around here, where I have some, I don't want to say clogged pores, but over the years, since I was in junior high school, this has always been an area of concern for me. Around my nose and on my forehead. And let's get some rinsing done. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's not really rinsing off that well or that easily. I wonder if I can use some soap. I have some soap here. I'm gonna use this soap to wash this stuff off my face. I mean off my hands at least. Goodness, I don't know how I'm going to get this off my face. It's not even coming off my hands. Look. Maybe if I do like this. Oh my goodness. I feel like I might be all night trying to get this off. Okay. Now that I see what I'm working with, I think I'm going to stop the video because it's going to be a minute. Oh my God. It's going to be a minute before I'm able to get this off. I don't even know how I'm going to stop the video. I wouldn't dare touch my phone with these fingers. Wait a minute. Oh my God, I'm getting ready to mess up my towel. Fortunately, I have two towels here. I'm going to use this one. Jimmy, Christmas. This is, I don't want to say this is awful, but this is interesting. Yeah, that's a better word. This is interesting. Okay, let me do this. How about I pause the video, get this off my face, and come back with the final report. 1 second. Okay, I got it off. Woo! That was an ordeal to a certain extent. I went in with my Avon Clean Foam Cleanser, and she got the job done. Okay, I feel good. Still smells good. Let me see. My face looks very nicely treated, I'll say. And I'm going to put this over here. And we'll finish up with my Pat McGrath Labs Divine Skin Rose Essence. Okay? It's dual phase, so you shake it. And pour it. And as I always do, smell it. And pat it in. Okay. So this was a long one. And you didn't even get a chance to see how long it took me to get it off. But yeah. Thank you, Crystal. I feel good. And yes, I recommend it. I don't even know the brand name, but I got all the stuff piled over there. I hope I told y'all on Saturday when I got it who makes it. Other than that, we out. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and share Monique's Beauty Life Over 50 at 56. Thanks for joining me. Peace.